Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Please subscribe to my channel to help it grow. Today, I've set us a Fall Autumn Tablescape. I'm using vintage china with lots of pumpkin accents and a color scheme of browns, amber, and ivory. So let's take a look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm using a Ralph Lauren Mocha Brown Damask tablecloth. I got it ages ago, I believe, at TJ Maxx. I'm using my hammered bronze chargers. I'm going to be using vintage china today. This is a Royal Dalton pattern. It isn't necessarily for fall, but the colors are appropriate with the rust, golds, and browns. Let me read you the pattern off the back. It's called Chiltern. It says Royal Dalton from the original Brownsfield engraving 1808. But I think this is a pretty pattern. I'm going to be using the dinner plate. I'm going to pair with it these amber plates in lieu of the salad plates. When I bought these, for some reason they don't have salad plates, but I thought the amber color plate blended pretty. And then I also have the bread and butter plates that match the set. So you can mix and match if you don't have all the pieces. I'm going to be using my wood handled flatware. I use this a lot during the fall. I got this ages ago at JCPenney's. For the stemware, I'm mixing both old and new. These are some amber cut glass that I bought a long time ago, and I got these of all places at Walmart. They don't have anything like that today. I'm also going to mix these trumpet shape paler shade of amber glasses. I got those, I believe, on eBay. And then I have this wonderful set of vintage amber glasses with a wide gold band. I bought these at an estate sale. I'm also going to use the cup and saucers that go with the set. I'm going to place them here where the bread and butter plates go. Normally they go on the other side, but I always seem to run out of room. I have these little pumpkin, I assume they're place card holders. I got these, I believe, at Dollar Tree a couple years ago, and I guess you write on them with a dry eraser. But if you guys have any ideas on those, let me know. I'm using ecru dinner napkins along with these wooden pumpkin napkin rings that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. For my centerpiece today, I've just done something very simple. I have a leaf and acorn vine. It's faux, and I've just zigzagged it here along the center of the table. And I have a collection of ceramic ivory pumpkins, and I've just tucked those in around the vine. I got these a while back. These were from Big Lots. And of course, they're no more. I've got various sizes, and I've just set them around. And then I also have these little brown pumpkins that I'm mixing in. And there are some little pears, I guess you'd call these, in the brown. And I've just tucked those all in between my vine. And I'm using a pair of candelabras. These I got at market ages ago. They are a bronze color, and I've put votives in them, amber votives. I love this set of candelabras. I use them a lot. They're tall, so they're sort of out of the way. And of course I change out the votives. Sometimes I put red ones if it's Christmas. I love using votive cups. These are vintage, probably from like the 70s. They are the old home interior. And I have a collection of red ones. I have the most red, but I have amber and the green. And for the fall look, the amber is perfect. But I've used those along with the vine. And then here at this end of the table, I've got a vintage amber egg tray. And I believe that was my grandmother's. And then I've set a teapot. This little teapot has got fall foliage and acorns on it. This particular set of china, I don't have the teapot. So I thought that paired pretty with the set. I found this Royal Dalton set at a yard sale, believe it or not, guys, and even on the street that I live on. I was with Mother, and we were going down the street, and I said, hey, there looks like some stuff at that yard sale we might like. So we pulled over, and I bought this set of dishes. I don't think I paid more than about $20 or $25 for them. So I was really tickled. And guys, I've also used a pair of my luster vases. These are amber, and I thought with my color scheme today, they went really nicely. And I like to use them, even though they're not really table decorations, I like to use them on my tables. I normally keep these upstairs in my caravan room. They're not an older pair. These are probably from the 70s, given the color. Of course, they were originally to set on mantles, but this set has a heavy gold pattern. I don't know if it shows up too good under this lighting, but I thought they would be pretty mixed in with the shades of amber that I'm using today. I've got the darker amber and the lighter brownish tone amber, and I thought they blended in pretty. Here I've got a sugar and creamer, and they go along with the set. Like I said, I don't have the teapot, and I may find that one of these days or get it on eBay. I will say replacement teapots are expensive on eBay, so I don't worry about it. I just mix and match if I don't have what matches. Here at this end of the table, I've got a pretty amber pitcher. Mother found me this, I believe, thrifting. And it's one of my favorites. I've got several amber pitchers, but I use this one a lot. This one is a hand-blown pitcher, and it's sort of a modern take on hobnail. And I think it's really pretty. It's my favorite amber pitcher. I've put a silent butler here on the table. It goes along with these colors, and it has a pheasant, a pair of pheasants on it. And for those of you who are not familiar with silent butlers, or they're known as crumb savers, they're basically beautiful dustpans that you brush your crumbs from the table into, and I have a large collection of them. So I thought this one blended pretty with our colors today. Here I've stacked a couple of cake stands. I've got the darker amber one on the bottom, and then the lighter, more gold tone one on the top. And these are both vintage. I believe I got one on the top from eBay and the one on the bottom from an antique shop. I just love earth tone colors for fall. I know not everyone can use them, but for me there's just nothing more quintessentially fall than the earth tone shades. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.